Hey guys, Dee here. So I've worked in healthcare for the past 22 years, and probably for the last year, I have been on a mission to figure out how to make money online. And one of my goals is to create multiple streams of income so I can write up my 2-week notice to leave my healthcare job. Now, as I've been doing this, I love coming here to tell you guys what I'm doing, how you can do it too, because I love helping people do the same thing. Part of my journey is I've become a digital marketer and I do market digital products, but I wanted to expand it. So how I do my videos is I do research here on TikTok. So I was scrolling the other day and I came across a girl that is also in healthcare, and she was talking about how she does email marketing. So I was really intrigued, and she was offering a free trial for 5 days. So I was like, let me check this out, because maybe in my spare time I can add this to, what I'm doing now and create another stream of income. So I said, why not? It was a free trial, right? So I clicked on her link and I got access to the email marketing training. And for the past 2 days, I have been, sending out these emails that are already created for you. You just got to follow exactly what they say to do. So the last 2 days, I have earned $10 each day. And I look at it like this. That is an additional $70 a week, which is $280 a month. So I'm like, why not? I do know from there, you will have to opt in if you want to do it more. And I believe it's like $97 for the pro version, but I'm going to check it out. I'll keep you guys posted to see how that goes. But if anybody is interested, I do have that link over in my bio. So just check it out. Again, it's free for 5 days, and the 5 days is just to show you that it does work. So like I said, I'll keep you posted, and I'll come back here in a couple days and do another post on how it's going. Make sure you save this video and like this video so you can come back to it so you can get the update.